Unraveling the Mystery. The meaning of quiet talk. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss. The phrase, quiet talk. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or stumbled upon it in day-to-day conversations. But what does it actually mean? Stay tuned as we explore this phrase and how you can use it in your English conversations. Quiet talk refers to a conversation that is conducted in a low volume. This could be for a variety of reasons, such as the need for privacy, the presence of a serene environment, or simply a preference for soft-spoken dialogue. When people engage in quiet talk, they are generally close to each other and speak in hushed tones to prevent others from overhearing. Quiet talk is commonly used in contexts where discretion is key. For instance, you may engage in quiet talk when discussing sensitive information in public, like personal matters, business strategies, or secret plans. It's also appropriate during events where silence is respected, such as in libraries, churches, or when someone is sleeping nearby. Engaging in quiet talk can have different implications. It can be a sign of respect in certain settings or convey a sense of intimacy between individuals. On the other hand, it might sometimes be viewed as secretive or excluding others, which can be perceived negatively in a social setting. Understanding the connotations of quiet talk can help you navigate social situations more effectively. To practice quiet talk, start by lowering your voice and speaking slowly and clearly. Pay attention to the other person's comfort level and be mindful of your surroundings. Quiet talk isn't just about speaking softly. It's also about active listening and nonverbal communication, such as maintaining eye contact and nodding to show understanding without making noise. Let's look at how quiet talk can be used in a sentence. During the concert, we had a quiet talk about the performance schedule. The two friends shared a quiet talk on the porch while the family gathered inside. In these examples, quiet talk is used to describe the tone and setting of the conversation, emphasizing its low volume and private nature. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning of quiet talk and how you can use it appropriately in various situations. Remember, mastering the nuances of English phrases will enhance your communication skills and confidence in the language. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and have quiet talks in the right contexts.